Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome. However, no worries. This operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate those steps in your own browser. All right, so let me enter the Chrome. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner in order to reach the history. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps, list of websites which we've previously visited. And basically, if you want to, you can manually remove them one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. However, if in your case this list is too long to do it manually, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here you can remove everything automatically. So in the basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also this part, so the saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or all time. If you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.